We've heard from the beginning that the COVID-19 vaccines are not mix and match, that you need to get both doses from the same vaccine maker.
But tonight, a study is underway in the UK to see if that might be possible or even preferable. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here to explain why it's so critical to answer this very question.
The reason the vaccines are not mix and match is because they weren't studied that way, so we don't know if they would still produce the same high efficacy and safety. But there are good reasons to find out if they could be used interchangeably, at least for the initial 2 doses and even for boosters down the road.
And then you're done.
Oxford University researchers are conducting the clinical trial that began by looking at the immune responses of trial participants given first the AstraZeneca vaccine, then the Pfizer shot, or the other way around. The trial is now expanding to include the Moderna and Novavax vaccines too. If it was possible, mixing and matching could help ease vaccine supply shortages and speed up vaccination programs.
Vaccine supply may not be as regular. You may get a big delivery of one vaccine, and then a few months later, a big delivery of another vaccine. You're not going to be able to control the supply in the first and second doses as well, perhaps, as some other countries. So these mixed schedules might well be the key to getting 2 doses into as many people in the world as possible.
Researchers say there have been hints in studies done in mice that combinations of vaccines might actually produce a better overall immune response, but that needs to be studied in humans. Mixing and matching is happening now in some parts of the world by necessity. The AstraZeneca vaccine has been stopped in France for people under age 55 after reports of rare blood clots. Those who already had a first dose of AstraZeneca will be offered a different vaccine for their second dose. Now, the UK trial will test multiple combinations of the available vaccines, and results of the study could be available by the summer. To be clear, here in the US, you should still get both doses from the same vaccine, but we'll obviously be watching this research to see what they find. Back to you.
Dr. McGeorge, thank you. And if you are a sharp-eyed Harry Potter fan, you may have noticed that that study is being led by Professor Snape. Well, Oxford University confirmed in a tweet that their Professor Snape is a lot friendlier than the other Professor Snape, and he specializes in pediatrics and vaccinology and not the dark arts.